From the QualityNet studio in QualityNet Slack City, this is QNet Jeopardy! With special guest host, Barbara Soros. Please welcome our 3 contestants from Atlanta, Georgia, a data analyst, Tom Smith, who volunteers at the Y teaching computer skills. A security official whose hobby is deciphering anagrams, welcome Jayati Marichetti from Washington, D.C. And from Baltimore, Maryland, a software developer, Gia Panetti, who creates video games in her free time. And now, here is our guest host of Net Jeopardy, Barbara Soros.
Thank you, Johnny. Thank you, everyone, for your kind applause. I'm so humbled and so excited to be guest hosting this classic all-time favorite game show. Welcome, everyone. Get ready for a thrilling competition. Let's take a look at today's theme. The game topic is Slack Canvas. Hannah, are you ready? Let's get started. Tom, lead us off.
I'll take QualityNet Canvas for 5 points.
Answer is a new way to communicate information in QualityNet Slack.
What is a bird whistle?
Sorry, no. Tom?
What is Canvas?
Correct. Go ahead, Tom.
Hello Canvas for 2.
A type of announcement board.
What is a megaphone?
Sorry, no. Gia?
What does every channel and direct message have all its own?
Yes, you can find or create a canvas in every QualityNet channel and direct message. Go ahead, Gia.
Canvas what? For 10 points.
Like having a sticky note.
What is syrup spilled on paper?
No. Jeopardy.
What is taking notes with a canvas?
With Canvas, you can take notes that can be referred back to for every conversation, conveniently right there in Slack. Jeopardy, go again.
I'll take Hello Canvas for 5, Barb.
Share with multiple editors.
What is something you can do with a canvas?
Correct. Yes, with Canvas, you can give permission to specific individuals or whole channels to view or make edits to your canvas. Jeopardy, go ahead.
I'll take Canvas Fun for 10, please.
Meeting notes. Jeopardy.
What do people hate to record?
That may be true, but not what we were looking for.
What template is available to use when creating a canvas?
Yes, go ahead, Gia.
I'll take I Love Canvas for 1 point.
Answer is a preview card. Gia.
What is a way to cheat in poker?
Afraid not, Gia. Tom.
What is a way to display a link inside a canvas?
Correct. You can insert any URL into a canvas and display it as the actual URL, or better yet, as a preview card. Look how nice the cards look instead of an awful long URL. Okay, Tom, please select.
How about Canvas what for 2, Barb?
Answer is no longer sit at the bottom of your message. Tom?
What are attachments?
Yes. Images and files can be inserted into the body of your canvas rather than stuck at the bottom as attachments. So nice when you are trying to keep the flow of your topic, don't you think? And you can simply drag and drop them around the canvas as needed. And that includes snippets of text as well. Go ahead, Tom.
QualityNet Canvas for 1 point.
Divisions. Tom.
What are the American and national?
Sorry, no. Jeopardy.
What was the Civil War about?
Gia.
What are dividers that can be placed in a canvas?
Yes.
I'll take Canvas Fun for 5.
The answer is big heading. Jeopardy.
What is a huge header ball in soccer?
No. Gia.
What is a formatting style in Canvas?
Correct. Formatting in a canvas gives you lots of options. You can use 4 different heading sizes: paragraph, big heading, medium heading, and small heading. Gia, please select.
Hello Canvas for 3.
Checklist.
What's a way to keep track of how many times a hockey player knocks an opponent onto the ice?
What's available to use in every Canvas toolbar?
The checklist feature is so convenient in Canvas. Just click on a canvas and up pops the toolbar with the checklist icon. Go ahead, Jayade.
I'll take I Love Canvas for 10.
Answer is a plus sign inside of a speech bubble.
How does the Batman comic show he's excited?
What is the icon to add or view comments to a canvas?
Right! Commenting is so easy. Here's how to comment. First, open a canvas. Second, find the text you'd like to comment on. Then, click the 6 dots icon and choose Add Comment. Third, type your comment. Then, press Enter to send it. You can also find the Add or View Comments icon to the right of the canvas title, and also when you click on any text or graphic. You'll see it just pops up on the right. That's it. Tom, please select from the board.
Canvas what for 1?
A string of comments.
What's a bunch of gossip?
What happens when a lot of people call into a talk radio show?
Yeah,
What's a thread in a canvas?
correct. Comments on a canvas will behave like threads, and all new replies will appear in your threads view. To view comments, click either the speech bubble to the right of the comment or the 6 dots when you hover to the left of the comment. Then select View All Comments. Gia, please select the next answer.
I'll take Canvas What for 5, Barb.
The answer is filter on.
What helps make smoking less harsh?
Sorry, no. Gia?
What do people who curse often lack?
Nope. Jayadi, can you give us the correct response?
How do you sort your comments in Canvas?
That's correct. To filter your comments, go up to the top of the canvas, click the 3 more options dots to the right. Click View All Comments, then select the filter icon. You can choose from Most Recent, Unread, or Archived. Jayade, go ahead.
Let's go for the big one. 10 points, QualityNet Canvas.
The answer is click the plus sign in your message composition box. Jayade,
How do you add or create a new canvas to send in a direct message?
that's right. Simply go to the plus sign in your toolbar, click, and select Create a Canvas. Easy. To recap, we have Tom with 18 points, Gia just slightly ahead with 19 points, and Jeopardy in the lead with 33 points. And now, for final bonus Quality Net Jeopardy! Of course, today's topic is Canvas. And here's your final answer. You are unable to delete this. Players begin. Time's up. Pencils down. Tom, what did you have? That is... sorry, Tom. Jeopardy? Oh, also, what is... too bad. And Gia, do you have the correct bonus question?
I just have no idea.
Oh dear, no one has the correct question. Unfortunately, you cannot delete a canvas once it is created unless you are the creator. However, if you click the 6 dots on the left of each post within the canvas, you can select to remove that particular post. If you are the canvas creator, go to the Canvases folder, hover over the desired canvas, click the 3 ellipses to the right, and then select Delete Canvas. Well, folks, that's our show. Thank you for playing Quality Net Jeopardy! This was so much fun! I hope you'll all have me back as a guest host again sometime soon. Bye for now.